Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home, the Sticks. Hope everybody's showing off good Monday and a good start to a new week. And I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, the weather's still nice, expecting some rain during the week, but that's okay. We in the 60s right now, but you know what? It's not raining. What I'd like to make mention of, if you're new to the Home, the Sticks channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what I got going on over here, which is normally something, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, it's in my shack. I got some stuff in the mail and I wanted to share it with you. So give me a second and that's what we finna do. All right, y'all, we in my shack, so let's go. What I want to share with you today is this guy right here. This is a 1020 tray with a large humidity dome on top of it. And what I'm going to say is I did a bunch of research trying to find some 1020 trays that'll last and some humidity domes that'll last. You can go to the Lowe's or the big box stores, and this is just a Jiffy 1020 tray with the Jiffy humidity dome on it. And these guys are $17, $18 for the whole setup. That's a 1020 tray, the humidity dome. Some of these guys right here. And these are just planting plugs, all they are. See how just not real sturdy at all. So I went looking around on the internet and I found a company called Bootstrap Farmer. I'm going to say up front that I am not sponsored by Bootstrap Farmer, nor am I getting paid to share this with y'all. It's just a showing off good company that has a good product they are putting out. So let's get down and I'm going to show you. Right off the bat is a humidity dome. And this thing is it's not flimsy, and it's actually got vent holes or vents to control the humidity. Depending on whatever it is that you're growing. Really nice, and it's sturdy. This particular model is the 32 tray setup, and the thing that just really impressed the far out of me is the actual 1020 tray. It is thick and it is really sturdy. Not like your just 1020 tray that you can buy from Lowe's or the box stores or whatever. See how flimsy it is? This guy by no means is flimsy. It's heavy built. And what's really nice is when you go to bring your seedlings or your starts out to the garden, you don't have to worry about this thing caving in on you. As far as the inserts, again, this is a 32 tray, and look at these guys right here. These are the, I guess, seedling plugs or planting plugs, I guess. Each one of these guys has their own separate hole, and I hope y'all can see that. It's a little, maybe a little dark in here. But each one has its own little spot. Of course, you water from the top or you can water from the bottom. These things have holes in them. I don't know if you can see that. And the thing that holds it actually has holes in there as well. And there's 32 of these guys. And this is really nice in my opinion, because I could just grab, if I had tomatoes growing in here, I could just grab 2 of them at a time. I'll bring this whole tray outside to the garden and get my plant on and not worry about this thing racking or things falling out. So really, really nice setup compared to these things right here. These are well built. Really, really like it. The humidity dome is high. It's a high humidity dome, and it fits on top of this 1020 tray perfectly. I have to say that I am really impressed by the product that Bootstrap Farmer has put out for us growers, avid gardeners. Really like that. On a side note, when I received my package from Bootstrap Farmer, and I'm here to tell you, they ship stupid fast. But I received 16 extra of these little tray things. And I was like, okay, maybe they sent me, maybe I got the wrong order, or maybe they just, I don't know, maybe they didn't count them right. I don't know. but I received 16 extra. I was kind of like, okay, I received 16 extra. Let me give them a call and let them know that they sent me more than what I actually ordered. Called the company, didn't answer the phone, but I left a message, and about 2 hours later, Bootstrap Farmer, the company, called me. And I told them, I was like, look, you sent me 16 extra of these guys right here, and I'd like to pay for them because I'm sure I can use them. And the lady that I spoke to, really cordial and polite, she said, well, we ship extra trays with all of our orders. Just in case when you receive your order, if there is some of these little trays that are broke or damaged due to shipping, you have extra ones. And I thought that was really cool. I mean, really cool. So I have 16 extra of these things that I can use, and by golly, I'm definitely going to use them. The last thing that I wanted to share with y'all today is, look what I done ordered. What I'm gonna dabble in probably in the next couple of weeks or so is growing some microgreens. Leaf Market Seed Company. This is the spicy salad mix. I have some mustard and some arugula, the slow bolt arugula. So I'm gonna attempt to get some microgreens started here using my rack, because I really like salads, and I really like microgreens. This is a really good way to get started growing microgreens. And of course, I'm going to take y'all along with me when I get to growing these things. I've done some research and some studying on it, and it looks like, hey, even old Dan can do it. So we're going to try it, and we're going to give it a whirl. And this is what I'm going to start out with. So 1 ounce of these seeds will actually fill a 10-20 tray up and grow. 1 ounce. So that actually works out pretty good, because, but then again, I like salad a lot, so I could probably eat that whole tray at one time. But if you figure, if you can get, if you can get, I don't know, 2 to 3 eatings off of a 10-20 tray full of microgreens, why not? Can't really buy microgreens here in East Central Mississippi. Seen it in a few restaurants, and Lord have mercy, a little bitty small microgreen salad was, I don't know, $12, $13. And it didn't really look good neither. So I'm gonna try to grow my own and see what happens. And you and y'all, we're gonna grow them together. So yeah, and if it works out, heck, maybe y'all could try growing some microgreens at your home place. All right, brothers and sisters, we are going to end this video out. I have some feed that I need to put up and a bunch of things that I need to get going on over here. I need to get to work. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know what's coming. Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. Show enough, get your shine on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.